Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Veteran President, honorable dignitaries, respected teachers, and all my dear brothers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And very cool good morning to all of you. My name is Muhammad, the son of Sadiq Khan. Wish to present a Republic Day speech before you. Dear people of understanding, first of all, I wish you very, very happy Republic Day. On the auspicious day of 26th January, today we have gathered here to celebrate 73rd Republic Day of our beloved country, India. I want to share the importance of Republic Day with you. Respected listeners, India got freedom on 15th of August 1947, but for running our country successfully, there was a need of constitution. Diamonds of our country like Gandhi ji, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and many more leaders decided to draft our own constitution. For drafting the constitution under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and membership of Sadullah and others drafted constitution. Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, after 2 years, 11 months and 18 days, the constitution became ready. Finally, on 26 January 1950, our constitution came into force. Liberty, equality, fraternity, and justice are the 4 pillars on which our constitution is standing. Dear Excellencies, but nowadays, some evil forces wanted to break the unity of Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs and Christians. But remember one thing, united we stand and divided we fall. So it's our duty to protect our country from these evil forces. In the last, I would like to say thank to all the chief guests and in the last, I would like to say thanks to all the respected guests, my teachers, and especially to Kareng Sahab for giving me an opportunity to say a few words. I desire to wind up my speech with these 4 lines in Urdu. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदू सिता हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये गुल सिता हमारा, मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना, हिंदी है हम वतन है हिंदू सिता हमारा. थैंक यू, जजाक, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू.
हमें आलिम व कारी हाफिज कुरान बनना है, मदरसा इकरामा में हमको भी इंसान बनना है.